Everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, two important reminder from my side to all CMA students who are appearing and preparing for upcoming exam. My humble request to every student, do not repeat the mistake which some of the student did during Jan 21 examination. Do important things. Please do this and I can assure that easily you can crack your upcoming exams. First one is, please spend 10 minutes. Although I am accepting that yet there is no official notification whether exams will be in offline or online, but in the recent session, our respected council member Papan sir, who can say that who has a in-depth knowledge of what is ongoing during the council meetings. So they have disclosed that yes, the upcoming exam are also going to the online examinations. Okay. So my humble request to everyone, please spend at least 10 minutes in writing theory in desktop, laptop, whichever is mode available at present as of now with you. Please. Lot many students did this mistake during Jan 21 examination, and yet you have also seen that lot many students could not get even though 40 mark in law, which is a purely a theoretical subject. So that is why again I'm saying that guys, writing theory in offline examination is totally different from writing theory in laptop, desktop. We are not habitual to writing from 8th or 10th or 12th. We have a habitual of writing theory in offline manner, you can say on paper, but from desktop or laptop, which is totally different. So please, my humble request, one important, spend at least 10 minutes. This thing I have already said in one of my earlier video. That is why I am reminding these two important things. I can assure that if you implement two important things, these, you can easily score your good marks or easily crack your examination if you are a inter student or if you are a final student. Okay. So spend 10 minutes out of 24 hours available to your desktop, laptop writing theory practice. Okay, we have seen that in online examination, even though in practical paper lot many theory questions are coming in a practical paper. If we see the optional questions, so please do the and understand the importance of theory in practical paper or also in purely theoretical subject. We have a law, we have a, you can say that. We have a law, we have an audit, we have a cost and management audit in paper number 19 in CMA final. So please, 10 minutes. If you spend 10 minutes, I can assure that easily you can crack your examination. Apart from this, second important reminder for you is that those students who has completed their syllabus, please please practice more and more for 2000 syllabus suggested answers. Okay. Yet we have to wait for the Jan 21 examination paper, but I can assure that till now, when soon we are after verification result, we will receive our Jan 21 examination, but till now whichever thing is available we have to practice. Syllabus 2016, please practice more and more those paper, and it will not take much time, but you need to start from today itself or a few days when you complete your syllabus. So please do the syllabus as soon as possible. Those yet did not complete and those already complete, please practice 2016 syllabus as soon as possible. MCQ booklet, workbook, if you implement these things, I can assure that please understand the importance of 2016 syllabus past year papers, MCQ booklet, workbook, each and everything you can easily access. To your institute websites. Okay, so hope you will like this video. This is the important reminder from my side. I can assure that these are you can say that little importance, but I can assure that these are the importance to you to easily crack your upcoming examination. You have any doubt, you have any questions, you can ask me and surely I will try to suggest you or guide you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.